perform, do your bit, come out and forget about it. That's exactly how I approached my first ever audition also. But I'm not a method actor, and I don't think I bring it back into my real life. Um, तो हाँ, कुछ चीजें हैं जिससे मैं अपने कैरेक्टर की तरह फील करती हूँ, और उन चीजों से मैं उस कैरेक्टर में घुसने की कोशिश करती हूँ, और एक बार वो जब वो खत्म होता है तो उससे मैं डिटैच कर लेती हूँ.
कहा जाता है एक सक्सेसफुल वेब सीरीज के लिए एक सक्सेसफुल कास्ट या ये कहें उम्दा एक्टर्स का होना जरूरी है. लेकिन क्या हो अगर एक वेब सीरीज में एक नहीं लेकिन बहुत सारे उम्दा एक्टर्स हो, तो यानी कि वो वेब सीरीज होने वाली है सुपर डुपर सक्सेस. हम बात कर रहे हैं Amazon प्राइम की आने वाली एक खूबसूरत न्यू वेब सीरीज की, जिसका कॉन्सेप्ट ही इतना ज्यादा उम्दा है जिसको देखकर आप लोग देखना चाहेंगे, रादर बिंज वॉच करना चाहेंगे सारे एपिसोड्स. हम बात कर रहे हैं तांडव की, जो कि ऑन एयर जाता है 15 जनवरी को. आज मेरे साथ जुड़ने वाली है तांडव की लीडिंग कास्ट में से कुंदा एक्टर, जो कर रही हैं अपना वेब डेब्यू इस सीरीज से. मैं बात कर रही हूँ कृतिका कामरा की, जिन्होंने टेलीविजन जगत में बॉलीवुड में अपना काफी ज्यादा परचम लहराया है. आज वो मेरे साथ इस कैंडिड चैट सेशन में जुड़ेंगी और करेंगी शेयर अपने किरदार के बारे में, इस रोल के पीछे की खास कहानी के बारे में, एंड लॉट मोर. तो आइए चलिए मेरे यानी विशाखा के साथ बुलाते हैं कृतिका कामरा को और जानते हैं कि वो तांडव की इस खूबसूरत सीरीज के बारे में, इस आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स कंसेप्ट के बारे में क्या कहना चाहती हैं.
Well, Kritika, firstly, बहुत स्वागत है टेली चक्कर में आपका, and congratulations for Tandav.
Thank you so much.
Firstly, you look really very lovely, but अगर मैं किरदार की बात करूं, how lovely is your character in Tandav?
I don't think lovely is a word I would use for her. Actually, it could be one of the words, but not the word. यही तो बात है इस कैरेक्टर की ना, यही है कि बहुत मुश्किल है कुछ words में बता पाना what my character is, because it's very complicated.
But if you had to use a bunch of adjectives, let's say 3 adjectives to define your characters, तो क्या होंगे वो characters?
My character promo has just come out. I mean, I just had a look, so I'll use the words from there. It says determined, deceptive, and I think these 2 words actually really मतलब जो उसकी journey है और जो होता है उसके साथ इस show में, इस चीज को बहुत सही तरीके से डिस्क्राइब कर रही है, कर रहे हैं ये 2 words.
So if I would ask you, Kritika, that every character has a story, every role has a story, every series has a story. What is the story behind choosing this character for yourself? What connection did you feel with it that you wanted to do this one?
I was very intrigued by it. I have never played something like this. It was I could feel her conflict is very difficult, I thought, so when I read, I was drawn to her. I wanted to know more about her, and I thought it'd be challenging to do something like this. Apart from that, with Tandav na, everything just fell in place. Like it's an Amazon original series. I loved the script. I mean what I read, I really liked it. Ali Abbas Zafar is making this show, and then with the cast that it has, so it just ticked all the boxes. So yahi kahani hai ki matlab, after I gave my audition to Casting Bay, I was just sitting with my fingers crossed, and then I got a call I met Himanshu, and I got the bound script. I met Ali, we spoke about the character, and then it just happened for me. So when it happened for me, I was like, yes, I want to do this.
Okay, so as you just said that you kept your fingers crossed for the series, has it ever happened with you that you wanted to do something really very much, like एक series ऐसी है जो आप बहुत ज़्यादा करना चाहती हैं, you auditioned for it, but unfortunately things did not materialize. Has it ever happened?
Yes, it has. ये तो होता ही रहता है. It's a part and parcel of, when you're auditioning for things that, I mean, that's why I audition and I generally detach myself. I know that, ज़्यादा attached नहीं होना चाहिए audition के time पे, because you don't know if you're going to get it. So just perform, do your bit, come out and forget about it. That's exactly how I approached my first ever audition also. Because that time तो I didn't know anything. तो वो दिया था और मैं भूल गई थी, मैं चली गई थी, मैं कॉलेज के बाहर थी, किसी ने स्पॉट किया, उन्होंने बोला कि ऑडिशन दे दीजिए. I gave the audition and I forgot about it. A month later I got a call saying that, we'd like you to move to Bombay. Can you move to Bombay? I said, yeah, sure. So that's exactly, I mean, yeah, but sometimes you do get attached to a certain character, or you really very badly want to do it. और फिर जब वो अगर नहीं होता तो बुरा तो लगता है. तो 2-3 दिन तो I'm a mess. फिर मैं ठीक हो जाती. It's like a breakup.
Do you have an on and off switch in yourself? Because seeing your characters and seeing how it's picturized in front of us, how we are quite expecting a lot of the character. Do you have an on and off switch?
I don't think it's a switch, because it's not instant. but I'm not a method actor, and I don't think I bring it back into my real life. Um, तो हाँ, कुछ चीजें हैं जिससे मैं अपने कैरेक्टर की तरह फील करती हूँ, और उन चीजों से मैं उस कैरेक्टर में घुसने की कोशिश करती हूँ, और एक बार वो जब वो खत्म होता है तो उससे मैं डिटैच कर लेती हूँ.
I was asking, what are the preparations that you did for this particular role? Because it looks quite intriguing, it looks quite catchy, and people would love to see it in front of them.
I also want people to see it now. I'm very nervous. I want to know what they think about it. There is it's not a relatable character for me. Her journey, her past, her present, everything is very different from my real life. But of course, human emotions are universal, and वो आप connect कर पाते हैं उससे, and it's very, very well written. So when something is so well written, and when you know the backstory of a character, जैसे कि Sana Mir is from Kashmir. You never see her in Kashmir. You just know this fact about her. So when you know the backstory of your character, it makes your life easy. Then you know कि वो किस तरह से चीजों पे रिएक्ट करेगी, वो कहाँ, उसके क्या फियर्स होंगी, उसकी क्या इनसिक्योरिटीज होंगी, उसकी क्या स्ट्रेंथ्स होंगी. तो वो थोड़ा सा बैक स्टोरी जब आपको पता होती है, जो कि मुझे ऑलरेडी, बिकॉज अली इज ऑल्सो वेरी क्लियर अबाउट हाउ ही सॉ हिज कैरेक्टर्स. स्क्रिप्ट भी जब मैंने पढ़ी तो वो काफी डिटेल्ड स्क्रिप्ट है, बहुत ही मेटिकुलसली लिखी हुई है, तो एक बहुत अच्छा इंसाइट इनटू द कैरेक्टर मुझे मिल गया था. उसके बाद आई जस्ट हैड टू एम्पथाइज विद दिस कैरेक्टर, एंड आई डिड फील एम्पैथी फॉर हर. I empathized with the character and just tried to be in one situation at a time.
Okay, so if I would say that, as you just mentioned that, she's from Kashmir, she has a little backstory, but then you will see it over the due course of time, that how it comes out. Did you have to practice a little dialect of Kashmiri culture or something, or what was it like for you?
No, like I said, you will never see, you don't get to see, in this season, you don't get to see, or you don't get to see her life in Kashmir. There's a reference to that. And all of us, if we know Kashmir, we know the struggles of Kashmir, we know the history and geography of the place. तो उसके बाद आपको एक context मिल जाता है. Also, she lives in Delhi and she studies in Delhi. She's been studying in Delhi. So her Hindi or her language, they are not really, but there's no accent.
Because I can relate to that thing.
Yeah, she's like any other Delhi college student. You know what I mean?
Okay, so if I would say that if not your character, was there any other character that you would want to play? It can be a male character also, it's fine, but just like hypothetically, any character that was your favorite.
Then I would love to play Samar Pratap Singh also. I mean, actually, that's the thing. Everybody is so well cast that now I can't imagine anybody else playing those parts. Even selfishly, if I want to say, I'll be like, pata nahi, if I'll be able to. Like Saif as Samar, or Dimple ma'am as Anuradha, Zishan as Shiva, Sunil's, Gurpal, or Gohar's, everybody, Sara, Sandhya, they're all, how do I say? When you watch it, you'll know. Because when we all met for the first time to read together all the episodes, we had like these table readings जब हम सुबह से लेकर शाम तक basically कुछ दिन मिले और हम read करते थे, तो everybody read their own lines, of course, as characters. So when we heard that, when I heard that, I was like, oh, everybody is their character. Honestly, I mean, मेरे लिए और कोई इसमें स्कोप था नहीं कोई और कैरेक्टर प्ले करने का, and I really liked playing Sana also. It was different for me.
Okay, so you just mentioned the table reading and the script reading and all that. Any fun moments that you would want to share with the fans from then? क्योंकि I'm sure जब आप सेट्स पे रहे तब तो आप सारे बड़े सीरियस होंगे, लेकिन जब वो the script reading हो रहा था, कोई सीरियस कुछ फन मोमेंट्स हुए वहाँ पे?
हाँ, वहाँ पे कुछ लोगों ने दूसरे लोगों की लाइंस पढ़ने की कोशिश काफी की थी. I think and even जो बीच का जो डिस्क्रिप्शन होता है वो भी लोग अलग अलग एक्सेंट्स में पढ़ रहे थे. It was quite fun. Then we all used to have lunch together because that used to be the only break. He read and then lunch and then read again, like that. So I think the most interesting part was that everybody didn't know everybody, in the sense that everybody didn't know कि कौन क्या play कर रहा है. So as people would walk in the door, you would guess कि oh, this person must be playing that character. So just that coming to life and finding faces to these characters that you would only read on paper was very interesting.
Okay,
because it was very secretive. We didn't know who's playing what.
Okay, so I will tell you one thing very personally. I have whatever shows I've seen of yours. No, it's never been like that. I have seen some flop kind of a show, be it a TV show, be it a music video, be it a movie, be it a web series now. So it becomes like quite a burden on your shoulders when touchwood, all things are going great for your favor. Touchwood, okay, touchwood.
There is no
So do
mood
you-
around me.
I did it for you. I did it for
See,
you. I did it
I'm
for
not
you.
even superstitious, but I've become. Two
No, but
days
I did
before
it for
release.
you. But then I just want to know that how is the pressure on your shoulder? Because this series, it looks really very promising. What do you think will the fans react when they see you in this character?
First of all, very kind of you to say such nice things about me. I'm so glad. Thank you for this love. And see, that's what I'm saying. Of course, I mean, the thing is, I also expect a lot. I think so. I am also very nervous, and I'm aware of other people's expectations also. So of course, वो थोड़ा सा pressure रहता है, but that's the fun part also. Right now, I'm very excited to watch other people in the show, but I'm super nervous about my own bids. मतलब मुझे लगता नहीं है मैं 15th को तो नहीं देख पाऊंगी शो. I don't think I have the courage. I don't think, because I am quite nervous, and it is also my first web outing, so that's also different for me. It's like, and it's an intense show, so I won't lie, I'm now feeling a little bit of pressure. I want to be able to live up to how Sana was imagined by the makers. I hope I hope it's happened. I hope it happens. I hope people can connect with the character in some way, but I don't know. It's like exam se pehle wali feeling. I don't know.
Result से पहले वाली feeling.
रिजल्ट से पहले वाली एग्जाम तो दे दिया है, करेक्ट. और एग्जाम दिया था 2019 में. इमेजिन. Now it's been so long that's also a thing. I sometimes feel like I've forgotten things.
Do you remember the course, or have you forgotten?
No, course I remember very well. It's not very easy to forget. That I remember, but certain things, even when I am watching now the promos and trailers, things that are coming out. आज एक गाना भी बाहर आया है जो A.R. रहमान का song है, and which is amazing. It just really lifts the whole thing. There are a lot of shots from the university, so it's like those memories are coming back now. It's been so long, and 2020 anyway feels like the longest year ever.
I can agree to it. Okay, so tell me one thing very honestly, in your personal life, in your professional life, anywhere, who is that one person who's very difficult to actually convince about your work? Who's the biggest critic of your work? You?
I'm telling you, I have issues. I only watch my stuff because I know that I must, so that I can learn something or improve or at least figure out कि मैंने किया क्या है. But otherwise, मुझे काफी प्रॉब्लम होती है अपना काम देखने में.
Perfect. Okay. Fans and audience आपको देखेंगे, बहुत प्यार देंगे तांडव में, and आप उनसे कुछ स्पेशल मैसेज देना चाहेंगे अपने किरदार के बारे में?
किरदार के बारे में, I just want to say now, I mean, there's hardly any waiting. You can just watch the show in 2 days, and I hope people do. I want to know what people think about it, whatever it is, good, bad. अब तो एग्जाम तो दे दिया है ना, अब रिजल्ट के लिए मतलब. So I hope that I get their feedback. It means a lot to me, and I hope that people write to me and tell me what they thought about the show. I don't know what to say. I'm just fingers crossed.
Okay, how eventful is your 2021?
I don't know. It's starting with a bang. It's starting with Tandav. I'm hoping that it's eventful. I don't know yet. See, 2020 has taught us that you can't really predict anything. So,
Thank you so much, and I wish you all the luck from the complete team of Telly Chakkar.
thank you. Lots of love to you guys too.
Same. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Well, thank you so much guys for watching this chat session with me, Vishakha Pandit, and that was Kritika Kamra, जो अपनी इस न्यू सीरीज के लिए एक्साइटेड भी हैं और नर्वस भी हैं. एग्जाम तो उन्होंने दे दिया है और अब वो ऑडियंस के रिस्पॉन्स से जानना चाहती हैं कि उसका रिजल्ट कैसा रहा. तो आप लोग अपना प्यार उन पे बरसाना मत बंद करिएगा, एंड ऑल्सो हमारे साथ नीचे बने कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर शेयर करिएगा कि आपको ये चैट सेशन कैसा लगा और कृतिका की एक्टिंग के बारे में आप लोगों का क्या कहना है. Until then, stay tuned to Telly Chakkar for all the more updates for the Telly world. Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Telly Chakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.